Okay, here's a question from IITJEE 2014. This is an integer type question. I'll explain the question what it says. This is a rocket. The rocket has acceleration in positive x direction 2 meter per second square. Okay. The length of the rocket is 4 meter. Inside the rocket there are two particles. Okay. Let's name the particles as A and B. Particle A, particle B. Okay. Particle A is thrown towards right with 0.3 meter per second and particle B is thrown towards left with 0.2 meter per second. This is moving in gravity free space. The rocket is in gravity free space. Okay, no gravity. So we have to find the time it takes for A and B to collide. Okay, the time taken by A and B to collide. So let's first write down a few things. Okay, obviously we have to solve with respect to rocket. Okay, we will look at the particles A and B in the reference frame of the rocket. Okay, so with respect to rocket, what is happening? The particle A and the particle B both are experiencing a pseudo force in backward direction, MA, right? Both are experiencing pseudo force in backward direction. Okay, so with respect to rocket, both of them have acceleration in backward direction. How much? A, simple. Okay, now let's first solve for A. So we will observe A with respect to rocket. So the particle A is given an initial velocity u equal to 0.3 meter per second. Okay, this is relative velocity of A with respect to rocket. Okay, but the particle has acceleration backwards. Correct? A. So let's find out from the right side wall, from the left side wall, what is the maximum distance the particle A will go away. Okay, so if this is your wall over here, this is the wall over here. Okay, so we have to find the maximum separation of particle A from the wall. Okay, the wall is right now in contact with A. Correct. So let the maximum separation be, let's call it x max. Okay, so we apply the equation of motion, x equal to ut plus at square by 2. So x max, wait, we will use another equation, I'm sorry. So v square minus u square equal to 2ax. Okay, now at maximum separation the particle will have zero velocity. So 0 minus 0.3 square equal to 2 times. With respect to rocket, acceleration of A is in backward direction. So the relative acceleration will be minus, what is the acceleration of rocket? 2 meter per second square. So minus 2 times x max. So x max is equal to 0.3 times 0.3 divided by 4. So this will be equal to 0.0225 meter. A very small number as compared to the length of the rocket. Okay. If you see, particle A will go up to maximum height of 0.0225 meter. Okay. And that will bounce back. Okay. So it's going in this direction, bouncing back. Okay. It will keep on bouncing over here like this. It is not going to cross the distance 0.0225 meter. Okay, particle A is always remaining very close to the left side wall. Okay, so this distance is negligible as compared to 4 meter, so we could just ignore the motion of particle A. Okay, so ignore motion of particle A, that's it. Okay, because the distance covered by the particle A is negligible as compared to this 4 meter. Okay, so that's why we only need to look at the particle B. Okay, particle B will collide with A almost near the left side wall. Okay, B collides with A almost near the left side wall. Okay, so what we have to do, we just need to find the time taken by the ball B, by the particle B, to reach this wall. Okay, so displacement of particle B will be 4 meter. Okay, so now we solve B with respect to rocket. Okay, so this is your particle B. Particle B has initial velocity how much? U is 0.2 meter per second, and the acceleration of particle B is also in the same direction, correct? And the displacement of particle B will be how much? 4 meter. Okay, so the time taken will be how much? Again, we use the formula x equal to ut plus at square by 2. Now, displacement of the particle B is 4 in negative direction, so I write over here minus 4. U is also in negative direction, so minus 0.2 t, and acceleration is also in negative direction, so minus 2 by 2 t square. So now I am getting a quadratic equation, t square plus 0.2 t minus 4 equal to 0. So when you solve this quadratic equation, what do you get? Let's first simplify the equation a bit further. I can multiply the equation with 5. So 5t square plus t minus 20 equal to 0. So t will be minus 1 plus minus root of b square. 1 plus 1 plus 4 times 5, 20 into 20, 400. 400 divided by 10. Okay. Now over here, 1 is negligible with respect to 400, right? 1 is negligible in front of 400, so I ignore this 1 and I find the root of 400, that will be 20. So this will be equal to minus 1 plus 20 divided by 10. So this is 19 by 10, so this is 1.9 seconds. And since the question is integer type, the nearest integer will be 2 seconds. So the time taken by the particle A to collide with B will be approximately 2 seconds. The answer will be approximate, it will not be accurate.